Hey guys, everything is confirmed that OnePlus 12 coming on 4th December 2023 and globally launched in India 23 January 2024. And finally, OnePlus are confirmed that the display quality of the OnePlus 12, and this is the OnePlus 12 first hands-on look. OnePlus 12 will have a peak brightness of 4500 nits. This is the one of the highest peak brightness on the smartphone. The device featuring a 6.82-inch 1440p 2K resolution OVX1 panel with 80 LTPO 120Hz screen, and the phone also have a 1160Hz PWM and the pixel density 510 ppi with a great view angle. The phone also have a blue dimensity agreement. The phone also have a low power consumption option, and OnePlus 12 display are going to be way better what we think, and the smartphone camera spec are also revealed. The phone comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel Sony Lite 808 sensor with 23mm with OIS, 48 megapixel Sony IMX581 ultra wide 40mm with a 140-degree field of view, and the first time OnePlus using periscope telephoto lens on the OnePlus devices. The phone comes with 64 megapixel OB64B 17mm telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and you can zoom high x 120x. And this is some camera sample of the OnePlus 12, and as you can see that all the images are looking too good. So maybe this is the one of the best camera device OnePlus ever make. So that's all about our video. If you found this video informative, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.